Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the BaByliss Pro FX3 trimmer and the clippers. So what we want to do is I'm going to trim my husband's hair, but I bought it and I want to unbox it for you guys before we use it. So as a bonus, we bought this off of Amazon. It's called Cut Buddy, and that's just to help us get a clean tape line. We got it off Amazon if anyone would like to buy it. And then this is the FX3 Pro. And this version is the Ferrari version. Hard to unbox with one hand. It feels nice in my hand. Hopefully I know how to use it. They said it's supposed to be really sharp. Ooh. Cool. Let's see what else comes in the box. So it comes with the charger, and it comes with the oil and the brush and a mini screwdriver and a little clip for your trimmer. So next we have, this is the Professional High Torque Clipper FX3 BaByliss Pro. So this is the trimmer. Actually, this is the clippers. This is the clippers. So this is dead. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, so we're gonna figure out how to use it. And what else does this come with? Comes with extra trimmers, and it comes with the charger and the oil and instructions. If you'd like to see the video of me cutting my husband's hair, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment below if you want to see it, and I'll post.
On and off? Can you turn on and off?
Sure, you can turn it on and off. Wait, don't touch right there. Push it up. Push it up. Ooh. All right.
Can you turn on and off?
I did. So if you guys want to see the video, like, share, and subscribe so you can see when I post a video. Bye for now.